Welcome to TLH Patterns. In today's video, let's see how to crochet these cute ice cream cone keychains. They measure about 2 inches wide and 2.5 inches high, made using sport weight yarn and 3 crochet hook. I have a return pattern in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. I used sport weight or category 2 yarn in brown for the cone and different colors for the ice cream. And I used a 3 crochet hook. You'll also need cotton for stuffing and key rings. We'll be working top down. Start with a magic ring and then make one chain and work 6 single crochets into the ring. Then tighten the ring by pulling the free end of yarn. In the second round, work 2 single crochets in each stitch. We will not be joining at the end of each round, so use a stitch marker to mark the first stitch at the beginning of every round. I am placing a marker in the first stitch of round 2. Then one more single crochet in the same stitch. 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Two single crochet in next stitch and in each stitch around. You'll have 12 stitches in this round. We'll start the third round, and in this round work single crochet in the next stitch and 2 single crochets in the next stitch 6 times. Place marker in the first stitch. In this round you'll be increasing 1 stitch in every alternate stitch, and so by the end of the round you'll have 18 single crochets. Next is round 4. Here you'll work single crochet in 2 stitches followed by 2 single crochets in the next stitch. I have placed marker in the first stitch and then single crochet in the next stitch, and now 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Single crochet in next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, then 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this around and you'll have 24 single crochets in round 4. In the next 3 rounds you'll work single crochet in each stitch. That is round 5, 6 and 7. Just work single crochet in each stitch without any increase, and you should have 24 stitches in each round. I have completed up to round 7. Now we'll start round 8. So from here onwards we'll start decreasing. Work single crochet in 4 stitches. This is the first stitch. I'm placing a marker here, and then work single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then work single crochet 2 stitches together or single crochet decrease. Then work single crochet in the next 4 stitches followed by a single crochet decrease. Repeat this 2 more times. In this round you'll have 20 stitches. Next is round 9. In this round work single crochet in each stitch without any decrease. So you'll have 20 stitches. This is round 10 and in this round we'll be working only into the front loops of each stitch. Into the front loop of each stitch work 3 single crochets. Once you have completed this round, cut the yarn off. This completes the first part or the upper part. Now we'll make the cone. Take the brown yarn and join it to the back loop of a stitch. We have worked the ruffles into the front loops. So you'll start working the cone in the back loops. Pull yarn through a stitch, work 1 chain and then work single crochet in each stitch around. You'll have 20 single crochets. Will not be joining at the end of the round. So in the second and third rounds work single crochet in each stitch. Place a marker in the first stitch and work single crochet in each stitch in the next 2 rounds and you'll have 20 stitches in each round. Next I am starting round 4. In this round you will work single crochet in 3 stitches followed by a single crochet decrease. I have worked 3 single crochets and now I'll make a single crochet decrease. Repeat this around and you'll have 16 stitches in this round. In the next 2 rounds, that is round 5 and 6, work single crochet in each stitch. At this stage, you can start filling the ice cream. Fill in as much as you can, and then you can do more filling as you progress. Next is round 7. In this round, you will work single crochet in 2 stitches followed by a single crochet decrease. This is repeated around, and you'll have 12 stitches in this round. Then in rounds 8 and 9, work single crochet in each stitch. You can fill with more stuffing at this stage. Use the back of your hook to push in as much stuffing as possible. In this round, work single crochet in the next stitch followed by a single crochet decrease. Repeat it around. There will be 8 stitches in this round. Then in rounds 11 and 12, you will work single crochet in each stitch. I will now fill in with some more stuffing. This is my 12th round. And in the last round, work single crochet decrease 4 times. You can do the final stuffing now before closing. Then cut the yarn off, leaving a long tail. Thread this free end of yarn through your yarn needle and close the opening by weaving in through the stitches. Then hide in the loose end of yarn. You can leave it as such or add 1 or 2 more layers to the top. I have a written version of the pattern in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. You can sew this halfway round and then fill with the stuffing and then complete the sewing. Then you can decorate it as you wish with beads or with colorful embroidery skeins, and then finally attach the keyring to the top. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this pattern. Thank you.